Kanji number 96. So here the meaning of that kanji, older sister. So how to write that kanji? First this pattern and incline this pattern, then horizontal, and here horizontal one and vertical, horizontal and vertical and little inclined, then vertical long one. So here the older sister and sound like that, she and ane, she and ane. So word meaning one san, one san. So here is a long sound, one san. Big sister, big sister. So here is o ne. So this is the ne. So one san is the hiragana. One san, big sister. One san, big sister. Only ne san, that means girl. Ne san, that means girl. So we know already how to write that one. Ne. So here is san. Ne san. This is the meaning of girl. Ne san. Shimai. Shimai. Sisters. Shimai. Sisters. She and mai. Shimai. Sisters.